Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. We're talking about the operating systems that power a lot of cybersecurity work, the tools that professionals rely on, and we're pitting two of the biggest names head to head, Kali Linux and BlackArch. We'll be looking at their history, their features, ease of use, and a whole lot more to help you decide which one is right for you. Stay locked, because this is going to be interesting. Today we're diving into the world of ethical hacking with a showdown between two of the most popular operating systems, Kali Linux and BlackArch. Let's find out which one reigns supreme for hackers. First up, let's talk about Kali Linux. This OS has been a staple in the cybersecurity world for over a decade now. Developed by Offensive Security, Kali Linux hit the scene back in 2013 and quickly gained a reputation as a powerful and versatile platform for penetration testing and ethical hacking. One of the things that really put Kali on the map is its massive suite of pre-installed tools. Right out of the box, you get access to hundreds of utilities for everything from reconnaissance to exploitation to reporting. And I'm not talking about some random obscure tools. We're talking industry-standard, battle-tested applications like Nmap, Metasploit, Wireshark, and Burp Suite, just to name a few. But Kali Linux isn't just about throwing a ton of tools at you and hoping for the best. It's built on Debian, which is known for its stability and reliability, so you can be confident that your OS isn't going to crash in the middle of a critical engagement. And let's not forget the user interface. Kali Linux comes with a clean, intuitive desktop environment that makes it easy to navigate, even if you're not a Linux expert. They've really focused on usability here, and it shows. So whether you're a beginner looking to learn the ropes or a seasoned pro who needs a reliable and powerful platform, Kali Linux has got you covered. It's a true workhorse in the world of ethical hacking. Next up we have BlackArch, and let me tell you, this one is for the real tech enthusiasts. This distribution isn't messing around. It's built on Arch Linux, which is already known for its customization and flexibility, and BlackArch takes that to a whole new level. The first thing you'll notice about BlackArch is its sheer size. We're talking over 2,400 security tools. Yeah, you heard that right, 2,400. This OS is like a giant warehouse, packed to the ceiling, with every hacking tool you could ever imagine and then some. Now, having that many tools might seem a little overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out, but BlackArch isn't just about quantity. It's about giving experienced users the flexibility to build a custom toolkit tailored to their exact needs. One of the key differences between Kali Linux and BlackArch is their approach to pre-installed software. Kali provides a curated set of tools that are commonly used in penetration testing engagements, while BlackArch gives you the freedom to choose exactly what you need, keeping the base system lean and mean. This modular approach means you can install only the tools you need, which is great for keeping your system lightweight and efficient. It also means you have more control over your environment, which is a big plus for advanced users. So, if you're the kind of person who likes to get their hands dirty, tinker with configurations, and build their own custom setup, then BlackArch might just be your new best friend. It's the ultimate OS for power users who demand absolute control over their tools. Chapter 3. Tools and Features. Face Off. Now let's get down to brass tacks and compare these two operating systems head to head. When it comes to tools, both Kali Linux and BlackArch bring their A-game, but they take slightly different approaches. Kali Linux focuses on providing a curated set of around 600 pre-installed tools that are commonly used in penetration testing engagements. These tools are organized into categories, making it easy to find what you need, and they're regularly updated to ensure you're always using the latest versions. BlackArch, on the other hand, takes a more is better approach, boasting a massive repository of over 2,400 tools. That's insane. And the best part is that this repository is constantly growing as new tools are developed and added by the community. Now, you might be thinking more tools sounds great, but do I really need 2,400 of them? That's a fair point. Having that many tools can be overwhelming, and it's unlikely that you'll ever use all of them. But the beauty of BlackArch is that you don't have to. You can pick and choose the tools you need and install them individually or as part of a specific category. In terms of features, both operating systems offer a similar set of core functionalities. They both come with a live boot option, allowing you to test out the OS without installing it on your hard drive. They also both support persistence, which means you can save your changes and settings across multiple boot sessions. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you prefer a curated set of tools that are ready to use out of the box, Kali Linux is a great option. But if you need a wider selection of tools and prefer a more customizable system, BlackArch is the way to go. Chapter 4: User-friendly versus customizable. Which UI reigns supreme? Let's talk user interface and ease of use. This is a critical factor to consider when choosing an operating system, especially if you're new to the world of Linux. Kali Linux and BlackArch take different approaches here, each with its own pros and cons. Kali Linux is known for its user-friendly interface. It comes with the XFCE desktop environment, which is designed to be lightweight, fast, and visually appealing. The desktop layout is clean and intuitive, making it easy to find the applications and settings you need. One of the things I appreciate about Kali Linux is its focus on accessibility. They've put a lot of effort into making the OS easy to use, even for beginners. The installation process is straightforward, and there's a wealth of documentation and support available online if you get stuck. BlackArch, on the other hand, takes a more minimalist approach to its user interface. Because it's built on Arch Linux, it inherits Arch's philosophy of customization and user control. This means that BlackArch doesn't come with a pre-configured desktop environment like Kali does. Instead, you have the freedom to choose your own desktop environment, window manager, and other components to create a custom setup that meets your exact needs. This level of flexibility is great for experienced users who know their way around Linux, but it can be a bit daunting for beginners. If you're comfortable with the command line and you enjoy tweaking and customizing your system, then you'll feel right at home with BlackArch. However, if you prefer a more polished and user-friendly experience, Kali Linux might be a better choice. Chapter 5: Community Support, Finding Your Tribe. Now let's talk about community support. This is an often overlooked but crucial aspect of any operating system, especially in the world of open source software. Both Kali Linux and BlackArch have dedicated communities, but they differ in size and scope. Kali Linux has a large and active community, thanks in part to its popularity and its backing by offensive security. You can find help forums, online documentation, tutorials, and a ton of resources on their website and across the internet. The Kali Linux community is known for being welcoming to newcomers, so don't hesitate to ask questions if you're just getting started. There are plenty of people who are willing to help. BlackArch also has a dedicated community, although it's smaller than Kali Linux's. This is partly due to BlackArch's focus on a more niche audience of advanced users and penetration testers. Despite its smaller size, the BlackArch community is incredibly knowledgeable and passionate about the OS. You can find helpful information on the official BlackArch website, including installation guides, documentation, and a forum where you can connect with other users. No matter which OS you choose, you'll have access to a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about cybersecurity and ethical hacking. So don't be afraid to reach out and connect with other users. You might just learn something new. The verdict: which OS takes the crown? So there you have it, Kali Linux versus BlackArch, two powerful operating systems for ethical hacking and penetration testing. Which one comes out on top? Well, as with most things in tech, it depends. If you're just starting out in the world of cybersecurity and you want an OS that's easy to use and comes with a comprehensive set of tools out of the box, then Kali Linux is an excellent choice. It's user-friendly, well-documented, and has a large supportive community. But if you're a more advanced user who wants complete control over your system and you need access to the widest possible range of tools, then BlackArch is the way to go. Just be prepared to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty with the command line. Ultimately, the best OS for you is the one that best meets your needs and helps you achieve your goals. So try them both out, experiment, and see which one feels like a better fit for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tech showdowns. Peace. So, which OS is better for hackers? It ultimately depends on your needs and skill level. Kali Linux is great for beginners and those who want a ready-to-use toolkit, while BlackArch is perfect for advanced users looking for a comprehensive set of tools. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.